Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to uninstall application in Windows 11 operating system. How to do this? Let's start. Go to desktop and then click on Windows 11 icon. You will find here gear setting icon. Setting will appear. On the left side you will find apps option. Click on apps and then on the right side you will find installed apps option. Here you can see all applications that are installed in your PC or laptop. You can search here and you can also find below your desired application. Click on three dots. You will find uninstall option here. Click on uninstall and again click on uninstall. Uninstallation process will be complete. These are simple steps that you can follow to uninstall application in Windows 11. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in other video. Goodbye.